Before a customer chooses an auto repair shop, they usually check reviews. If your shop has fewer reviews than the competition, or if you're not asking consistently, AI can help you fix that fast. One of the best uses of AI for local businesses is automated review generation and response management. After a completed job, AI can trigger a polite review request by text or email at exactly the right time. That increases the chances that happy customers leave feedback while the experience is still fresh. AI can also help draft responses to reviews so you maintain a strong online reputation without spending hours on Google Business Profile Management. More reviews mean more trust, better visibility in local search, and more calls from new customers. That leads directly to increased revenue. The key is to make the process simple and automatic. Marketing leaders like America's Best Shops understand that reputation drives growth, and AI gives repair shops a practical way to build that reputation steadily every single week.